Welcome back to another video, guys. We're working on a 2015 Tahoe, and as you can tell, this thing is definitely going to take some time. The exterior is just filthy. Cricks and crannies are just full of crud. The wheels are covered in brake dust and debris, and the front has a fair amount of bugs on it, and we'll try to get those off. Of course, the engine bay will need some attention. Lastly, on the exterior, just the door jambs are definitely going to need some attention as well. Alright, moving to the interior, you see the floor mats are just disgusting, and some of the interior pieces, we just need to do a deep cleaning on them with the detail brushes and some APC, and then get those protected, and just remove all the hard candy, chips, and debris. Alright, so as you can tell from the before shots, this thing is going to need a lot of work. So it looks like me and Wilson here, we have our work cut out for us. So yeah, let's get started, guys. Alright, so of course we're going to start by doing a thorough rinse down on the truck just to get all the heavy debris off before we touch it with a mitt. Also, if you guys are not following me on Instagram, I'll leave the link in the description. It's going to be at Auto Obsession Detail, so go ahead and give me a follow over there. I do post before, afters, and sneak peeks of the next videos. Alright, moving on to the wheels, we're using a all-purpose cleaner diluted 8:1 and an assortment of brushes to get those clean, along with the wheel barrels, and then we'll just rinse them. Alright, once the truck's foamed down, I like to take a detail brush and get in between all the tight crevices that I know my mitt is going to miss, like window sills, gas caps, emblems, things of that sort, just to make sure those little fine details do not get skipped over. Alright, now that we have the truck washed down and rinsed, we'll focus on the floor mats for a minute using some all-purpose cleaner and a soft bristle brush to agitate them, and then we'll just rinse them clean. So I thought I was gonna have some help today, but as it seems, the little guy from the beginning of the video decided today was gonna be his day off, so he's just relaxing in the driveway. Alright, moving to the interior, we'll go ahead and get all the big items, trash, valuable items, get them separated into 2 different bins, and get the truck prepped for vacuuming. Alright, so you'll see we started with the vacuuming in the hatch area. There's a little bit of grass and stuff back here, and with these carpets, they're a little bit different material. So once we got everything vacuumed up, I went ahead and took the drill brush and ran over it just to bring some of those items that were trapped in the fibers to the top of the surface, and then vacuumed again. Also, these carpets were in very good condition other than a few knick-knack things, just because the truck was fully equipped with WeatherTech mats that covered 90% of the carpets. Alright, so we'll start here with some APC diluted 8:1 for all the door jambs, brake pedals, also the seats just to get those ready to be conditioned. And then once we're done there, we'll also wipe down the door panels. Alright, now that we have the inside all wiped down with APC and then protected, in the seats conditions. We're going to move back to the exterior, and I'm using a Adams 15mm swirl killer with a wax pad and also some Meguiar's wax just to coat the outside, which should give us 4 to 6 months of protection. Alright, so that's gonna wrap it up. We're going to put on some tire shine and then shoot some after shots. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you would, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next one.